Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to day 11. I can't believe we're on day 11 of virtual learning already. It's been a great 2 weeks, and you guys have been working very hard. I hope you guys are able to get some rest and just relax over this weekend. I know a lot of us were stuck inside because it's been raining all weekend, but hopefully the sun will be out today. That's what I've been hearing. So hopefully you get outside at some point today. We're going to be starting off our lessons like we did all week last week with a mindful minute. This week is going to be called Peace Out. So if you find yourself feeling stressful or anxious today, imagine yourself in a special place and peace out. My favorite place, which you guys already know, is the beach. So I always like to picture myself just at the beach with the warm sun and hearing the ocean crashing over onto the sand. That's my favorite place to be. All right, for math today, we're doing lesson 14-3, which we're continuing our area unit. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be logging on to Envisions. You're going to go to 14-3, and you're going to go ahead and watch that video of that from the eyeball. Go ahead and watch that video. Once you're done, you're going to open your workbook to reteach 14-3. The top of the page, it helps explain the lesson, and you're going to write your answers to the 3 questions right here below. Then you are going to be going to practice page 14-3 as well. Go ahead and record your answers to the practice page problems below. So you're doing numbers 1 through 6. After that, you guys are going to be going on to Reflex Math for 10 minutes. Make sure you're getting on to Reflex. If you reach 100% on the level that you're already at, please let either me or Mrs. Gomez or Mrs. Chaldoff know so that we can put you on to that next level. All right, we're going to be practicing our 8 flashcards again. So go ahead and click this link to practice those eight math facts. All right, you can also visit Prodigy. There's a but. You can only visit Prodigy if all your other work is finished. So you need to finish English and you need to finish science and math before you can go into Prodigy. But the link for Prodigy is right here. For English today, you're going to read first Judy Moody, My Smelly Pet, which is on pages 42 through 48. Now, after you go ahead and read that story, think back to Judy Moody Saves the World. What we want you guys to do is compare and contrast the 2 Judy Moody stories you have read. Think about the characters, the setting, problem and solution in both stories. How are the stories alike and how are they different? All right, so in order to answer that question, you're going to watch this instructional video on races, which is right here. Then you're going to type a race's response to answer this question below. Your question is, how are the stories Judy Moody Saves the World and Judy Moody My Smelly Pet similar and different? Give at least 2 examples of how they are the same and 2 examples of how they are different. All right, for each example, you should probably be citing evidence from the text. These in Judy Moody Saves the World, she does this, but in Judy Moody My Smelly Pet, this happens. This is one way that these 2 stories are different. Something like that. Remember to try and use those sentence starters for citing evidence. So the author writes, or for example, things like that are great sentence starters. All right. For vocabulary, use the following vocabulary words to complete the sentences. You guys have done this already before with the previous list of vocabulary words that we've had. So here we have 10 words and you have 10 sentences. So you're just going to go ahead and read the sentence, choose a word that fits in this sentence. Once you plug in the word, I suggest you go back and read the sentence with the word in it. If it doesn't sound correct, then odds are that's not the correct word for that sentence. Make sure you're reviewing your words. All right. After, you're going to do science. This is our last day of watching Mystery Science videos. I hope you guys enjoyed all the ones that we had for you guys. All right, what you're going to do, they're short videos. Don't worry, they're not too long. You're going to watch both of these videos, and then you're going to respond below by typing 2 facts that you learned from each video. You need to be using complete sentences, capital letters, and appropriate punctuation. So, for video 1, how do germs get inside your body? Tell me 2 things you learned from that video. And then the second video is, how does hand sanitizer kill germs? Tell me 2 facts that you learned about how hand sanitizer kills germs. Complete sentences are needed. And then don't forget to visit the special S'more page. There's a link right here. You can go ahead and click it and choose a special that you want to do today. If you want to If you're feeling artsy, go ahead and choose an art one. If you want to do some STEAM, you can go ahead and do that. Or if you want to get outside and go running, go ahead and pick some gym. Hopefully we'll get to talk to you guys later on today. I'm not sure if we're going to be doing hopefully we'll be doing some more of the read aloud, so I get to hear from you guys a little bit. But I hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.